Since 2005, we've built our reputation on precision, reliability, and a relentless commitment to customer success. But the core of our business? That's easy, it's the people. Behind every valve we automate, every system we commission, and every challenge we solve is a team of skilled professionals. From automation technicians and machinists to our application specialists and support staff, our operation wouldn't exist without their dedication and expertise. Valve automation is a complex business, but with the right people, we make it look seamless. We don't just supply components, we build solutions. Our partnerships with global manufacturers like Rotork, GVS, TrueTorque, AVA, Williams Valve, ASCO, and TopWorks allow us to deliver the best in valve and actuator technology. With a robust, ready-to-go inventory housed at our Nisku distribution center, we ensure rapid turnaround and minimize downtime for our clients. Our investment in CAD software and CNC machining allows for precision engineering and custom-built solutions. Whether you're working on a high-spec energy project or upgrading an aging industrial system, we tailor each package with cutting-edge tools and unmatched accuracy. Our facility isn't just a warehouse, it's a full-scale automation and machining center. From cranes, lathes, mills, and saws to advanced testing stations, we control every stage of the project lifecycle, from quotation to commissioning. And when it's time to bring the system to life, our service trucks, fully equipped for field commissioning and support, hit the road to ensure everything runs exactly as planned. With specialized software for testing and commissioning, heavy lift forklifts, and full project control, we are proud to offer a true end-to-end solution. With decades of experience and continual investment in people, technology, and infrastructure, we've become more than just a vendor, we're a fully committed and reliable partner. Of course, we're not about to give away all our secrets, but if you're curious about what goes on behind the scenes, we're happy to show our clients around and give them an inside look at our facility and what sets us apart.